everyone, how are you? Welcome back. And today let's do another AI Wednesday where I'm going to take an AI image like this and I'm going to do my own version of this. I'm going to cut out some of the greenery in the background here because some of the photos do have greenery with flowers. So I'm going to take this one right over here. I'm going to start with the pinky first. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this in a little dappen dish full of water. I'm going to let that sit there for a second. Now to transfer this, this is the double-ended stamper from Clear Jelly Stamper. I'm going to use the bigger side here. So what you do is you're going to take this out of the water. I'm going to put this right over here. Then I'm going to slide the backing off. And now my water decal is ready to basically stamp onto the nail. So I'm going to line this up how I want this. And easily just press that down for like a couple seconds. Lift it up, and there we go. And just to let you know, when I work with water decals like this, I like to use a matte surface. Slide this off. Put this on however I want this. Nope. Let's try this again. Let it sit there for a couple seconds. And it's not transferring. I think there's, okay. I just made sure I took off the rest of the water. There we go. If you need to, just wipe away some of the water that's on here so it'll stamp. Put the flower over here. And if some of this is hanging off, don't worry, I will show you how to fix that. Make sure I get all of that water off. Okay, and I'm gonna plop that butterfly right in the center over here. 1, 2, 3. Nope. And then there you go for the first nail. Now when you're doing this, if the water decal doesn't want to lift off of the stamper right away, just hold that stamper down for a couple extra seconds and then it will release and stay on the nail right there. There we go. Okay. I do want to go in later and add a butterfly, but I'm going to do that for my transfer foils once we're done doing all of the water decals first. So next up, we're going to do transfer foil. This one I'm going to keep as is, but these three, I'm going to do the butterflies from the transfer foils that I showed you. Now for the 3 butterflies that I'm gonna do, I have this transfer foil, which is just green and like the traditional monarch butterflies. So I'm gonna take one of the monarch butterflies. I don't want something too big. Let's take this and I'm gonna put this right over here. So just lay that down. I'm gonna take this end of my tweezers, just gonna smooth that down, the foil down, just that way the image will transfer. And you always wanna go from the center out with your transfer foil. Okay, then we're gonna lift this up slowly to see how it looks like. Start from one corner. And if you need to go back and smooth something down, that is your time to do that as you're lifting that up. Perfect. There you go. Oh, right. Smooth that out. Nope. So far it's working, and there we go. Right like that. Lay that down. Okay, go in with this. And let's I'm going to go in with my shiny top coat from Magic Gel. So with the reference photo in the corner, this is what I came up with. I hope everyone likes my recreation of the AI nail art. If anyone is liking this series that I am doing, please let me know in the comment section down below. As usual, everything I use will be listed in the description of this video, and I hope to see you later. Bye.